This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare MongoDB Atlas versus VS Code. It's important to understand that these tools serve very different purposes in software development. One is a cloud database service, while the other is a versatile code editor. Therefore, directly comparing them as better or worse isn't quite accurate. Instead, let's explore what each tool excels at and how they fit into your workflow, helping you decide when and why to use them effectively. MongoDB Atlas is your go-to for robust, scalable data management. As a fully managed cloud database, it handles all the heavy lifting of infrastructure, allowing you to focus on your application. It ensures high availability and security, with options to deploy across more than 60 global regions. Atlas also provides powerful built-in tools for monitoring performance and visualizing your data, making database operations much simpler. On the other hand, Visual Studio Code is a highly popular, free, and open-source code editor. It's designed for writing, debugging, and testing your application's code across various programming languages. With a vast marketplace of extensions, you can customize it to fit almost any development workflow. Its seamless integration with version control systems like Git makes collaborative coding and project management incredibly efficient. So, when should you use each? Choose MongoDB Atlas when you need a reliable, scalable cloud database to store and manage your application's data. Opt for VS Code when you need a powerful, flexible environment to write, debug, and manage your actual application code. They are not competitors, but rather complementary tools that often work hand-in-hand in modern development projects, each excelling in its specific domain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.